This is our first vlog ever. I'm Leah. This is
Eric.
Getting nervous. And this is Daisy. Say hi, guys. We're basically, the main reason that we're going to start our channel is so that we kind of have a video diary of our lives, because I don't actually write a diary. I don't know if you write that. I know that you don't write a diary. So I think it'll be cool to have these videos on YouTube to look back on in 10 or 20 or more years, especially for our kids and things like that. I would love to see my parents at 30. He's the baby of the family at 29. He's the real baby of the family. We're headed to the Poconos right now to go visit Eric's family. And his cousin's back from the army, and it's rainy, it's kind of shitty out.
Should be there in about 45 minutes.
45 minutes, yeah. And yeah, it's about 12:56. We're drinking some iced coffee, Starbucks iced coffee. Eric's drinking his double shot energy. And Dice is having a small panic attack. Alright, bye for now.
Don't fall the water.
How do you feel about Dice swimming for the first time?
I'm exhausted, but
No,
I feel good.
How do you feel about Dice swimming for the first time?
I said I feel good. It was
Dice,
nice to see.
How do you feel about swimming for the first time?
I think he feels great about it.
Did you love it? Are you sleepy? Good boy.
Okay.
Alright, trip has been completed. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Don't vlog and drive, that's the moral of the story.
I think it was a good weekend.
Dice, if you see a look of fear in his eyes, it's because we just tried to take him on a golf cart and it went horribly wrong. Did not go well. And this is how he sits in the car. That's Dice. That's Mom. Oh, yeah. But it was really fun hanging out with the family, getting up into the mountains.
What is he doing?
Anyways, should we sign out from our first vlog?
We'll sign out before we head on the road here.
Alright, sign out from 1 to humans and 1 dog.